This is your 1-minute coder news from the voice of custom coding. PPG Envirocron HTE Max Extreme Corrosion Polyester Powder Top Coat is all about accuracy as it boasts a whopping 85% more pass-through transfer efficiency rate. This allows coaters to coat heavy-duty and industrial equipment in one coat. This new top coat provides up to 3 times the corrosion resistance over traditional single-coat powders, and its high transfer efficiency makes it easy to coat even the most difficult pieces, all while saving time and labor with just one pass. And that's been your 1-minute coder news. See you next time.